Hey, what's up, you guys? It's Sham, and I'm back here with another episode of Kicks and Fits. Today, I'm at the South Street store location again, and I'll be looking at the Air Jordan 10 Tinkers. These Jordans were based off of the 1994 OG Ultramarine themed Air Huaraches. They were designed by Tinker Hatfield. This is the same person that designed Air Jordans 3 through 15, which is like really cool. Like, you know, they based a Jordan off of a Huarache that he did. My favorite part of the shoe is the orange highlighted part on the bottom sole. This highlighter orange is extremely in right now, so like it actually goes with the trend, even though it's based off of a 90s trend. Now, for some people, these colors might be like a little aggressive. It's a royal blue, it's a highlighter orange, and then we actually have the turquoise insole. But you can wash this out, not necessarily wash it out, but just dial it down a little bit. You don't necessarily have to do like matchy with these. You can dial it down with like neutral tones and stuff. Like if you're scared of the highlighter colors in it, that'll really help you out. All right, so for me today, I'm probably just gonna go with like black. I really want to find some black track pants. That's really what I'm looking for, just to like, you know, tone down the sneakers just a little bit so they're not so like, ah. Honestly, it'll help them stand out. So that's the key part. All right, let's go see what we can find. With the track pants, I really want to stay like on brand. So I'm automatically just gonna go in the Jordan section. Pants. Oh my gosh. These are actually really cute. Medium, uh-oh. These are cute. A lot of neutral tones, and they're camo sweatpants, so it kind of goes off of like the camo pants trend. I also want to get like a second option just in case. I really was, first of all, looking for black ones, so I saw these over here. A Jordan like track pant. Now, the only size they have left is a large, so we'll see what I can do with that if I decide like on these. Okay, if I do the track pants, I kind of want to do the hoodie. I don't know if I want to do a medium or should I go with my usual large. I kind of feel like they run a little bit big, so I'm gonna do a medium. All right, so now that I got like pant and hoodie options, I want to look for a good shirt to pair with it. I'm automatically going to the graphic t-shirt section. Oh, they got Tupac, Poetic Justice, Macho Man. Oh my God, this is really cute. This is a side note, okay? This shirt is really cute. I like this. Broad Street, Chestnut, Center City. Like, if you're from Philly, you know what this is, okay? I think I'm just gonna go with the Poetic Justice with the camo. Okay, that's an option. So basically I picked out like almost 2 outfits. Yeah, it's 1 shirt, but I picked out like 2 pairs of pants and like, you know, I have this hoodie to layer up with. So like, we'll see which one I go with. I'll be right back. All right, guys, I'm here. I have my fit on. Honestly, I chose this option because I really wanted some black pants, just to wash out the sneakers a little bit, just to show them that like they're the highlight of the outfit. Graphic t-shirt actually came out perfect because like, I don't know if you've noticed, but like the black in his hat is like a little bit washed out. So like it kind of gives it a little blue tones to it. The jacket just like sets it off. It gives it like, so it's not all plain. Something that I noticed, it is a Jordan brand hoodie, but there's no branding on it. It makes me like it even more. And then I did add in one thing. Like I said, I wanted to still highlight like the fact that the sneakers are so colorful, that they are fun. I threw in a little blue fanny pack. So if you guys like anything that I have on, you can check the description box below. Make sure you guys leave a comment or a like. Just let me know what you guys think about my outfit, and I'll see you next time on Kicks and Fits.